Oh yeah, that's the way it goes. Hey, Jen.
Sometimes it takes them 20 minutes. Sometimes it takes them a day.
Sure.
You know? Sometimes it takes them no time at all.
Yeah.
Eventually, they all fall into line.
Oh yeah, that's kind of their nature.
Yeah. It is really interesting to watch. Like,
Hey, Jen.
pack mentality here.
Yeah. I think it would be really cool to have a job like this.
It is. It's really cool. It's really cool. It's the coolest job I've ever had.
Really? I bet.
I've worked with dogs since I was 18.
Really?
I'm 27.
Okay. Wow. This is.
Sorry. You've been having fun in the pool. You're soaking wet. Does she like water?
A little.
Okay. Well, she might be a pool lounger.
Hey, Jen.
She's very submissive.
Yeah. Yeah. This one is a pretty dog right
That's
here.
mine, actually.
Oh, really?
Augie, yeah.
What's his name?
Augie.
Augie. He's cool. He's like a little bear.
Yes. He does. I call it a bear bun, actually. His little bum looks like a teddy bear.
Yeah.
And he's just like a teddy bear. He
What-
wants you to hug him at all times.
Yeah. What is he?
He's an English Springer Spaniel.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's real
That's it.
thick.
He is. Well, see, he's also an English Springer Spaniel. They're from two different